Yeah, hello, hi all. Today we'll see how we can create a equipment master. See, equipment master is a basic master required to run a plant maintenance module. With the help of equipment master, we can perform many tasks like our maintenance planning. We can keep a history related to equipment. Now, see, this is a transaction code IE01 to create equipment. Here, you can have a internal number for your equipment or external number. In case of an internal number, you will have a running serial number. In case of external number, you can keep number as per your wish. Now next is a valid date. So if you want to make some equipment valid from a particular date, then this here you can enter that date. After that we have a category. See, on basis of this category, we can simply identify the type of equipment. Let's say we can give electrical, mechanical, instrumentation, or we may keep a pump, motor, that type of category in metal master. So sorry, equipment master. So it will make our equipment easy. Now at the time of equipment master creation, if we want to copy that new equipment with reference to older one, so you can give here. Now next one is your description. See, description is a simply a detail about equipment. Like in case of metal master, we'll give a short description of about the material. So in a similar way, this is one description of a motor. Now see, here not only a short description, but we can also include the long description. Here, so we'll have a one word type of thing here. If you want to write more about this equipment, that can be stored with reference to this particular equipment here, and there is no any limitation. Now see, one more thing, not only here, but we can also attach some kind of drawing to our equipment with the help of SAP DMS system, document management system. So now coming back to our equipment here, we have a status. Now in case of a equipment can have a multiple status, so you can have a multiple status about the equipment, but so there is something called status. See, this is my currently active status. So at the time of equipment creation, you'll have a one status. When you use that equipment, then you'll have a multiple status, and status will change according to your actions. Here we can use a system status as well as the user status. Now here we have another few details about the equipment. These are the details which we can maintain, and all these detail we can create for us by using the standard configuration system. See, but one side we have a descriptive one about the equipment, but suppose I have a one motor, but I don't want to keep that serial number of motor in a description mode, because my wish is that whenever I go for search, let's say I simply want to search through some make or model. In that case, it will be very difficult if I put that in text format. So for that purpose, we have a specification. Now see, whenever we go for some kind of acquisition for equipment, so our equipment will have a X value. And so here we can enter a value of equipment as well as the date of acquisition. This particular field will help us during the capitalization or for calculation for depreciation. Like I was telling you about the equipment details like manufacturing, make, model, number, year, and all these details can be entered here in equipment master. Now see, on basis of these detail, we can go for some kind of searching. We can put some kind of filter. So, and in one go, a person can know, okay, this motor is having these details, and these details are very essential, very important if you have a large number of equipments in your organization. Now next one is about the location. See, equipment master creation is not a single task. We want to locate the equipment where this equipment is currently available, with which machine this equipment is currently assigned. So here we have a few details like location of equipment, exact location. Then we have a plant section. Basically, these details will help us in finding the equipment. And see, when we have one equipment, let's say we have one motor, and motor is not a parent equipment, it is a child equipment. So it will be always assigned to a some pump. So here we'll have a child and parent relationship among the mechanical, electrical, and instrumentation one. Now, with the help of assignment of a equipment to a particular function location, when we can say that this particular motor is assigned, this particular motor was available at that particular location for a certain period of time. Now here, on basis of the equipment criticality, we can segregate equipment further in A, B, C classes. Okay, now here we have a two analysis. We can go with the ABC classes or class analysis, or we can go with the XYZ analysis, where we'll identify the critical equipment and all that. Now this is about now this one is again here we have a further detailing of equipment. So basically, this equipment master will have all details. Whenever you create a purchase PM order, every detail will be copied to order, and with the help of this equipment master detail, you can perform many tasks. As I said, now it can be used for your preventive maintenance planning. It can be used for shutdown. We can also store details related to equipment history, because let's say my one equipment got breakdown today, so how would I know what was my previous breakdowns and what happened? So by considering the equipment history, I can check that particular product history, and I can make some kind of judgment. It will be a kind of rule book or some guiding tool for me. So here, as I said, there can be a parent and child relationship. So we can assign equipment to different work center, because work center is a group of machine or a machine. So if your so many equipments are put together, and they are considered as a single work center. So here, see, in this particular tab, you can assign this equipment to a particular function location. Let's say you have one common motor of 50 kilowatt, and that particular motor is being used at different areas. Now, suppose you got rewinded that metal from particular winder. Now you want to know, suppose winder A is rewinding, then what is its performance? Winder B is rewinding, then what is its performance? So here, you can not only assign this equipment to function location, but you can also assign to the superior equipment here. Now, these are the few things related to the warranty, because when we purchase equipment, definitely we may or may not have some kind of warranty. This particular here we can enter the start date of a warranty, when this warranty will begin, when this warranty will end, and we can also add what type of detail comes under the warranty. Okay, because on basis of this warranty, what we can do, suppose if your some part of that machine got failed, so you can get a trigger out of this screen, like this particular machine is under warranty, so you can go with the part replacement. So these kind of facility here. Now again, we have one partner function. With the help of this partner function, we can communicate with the partners. Partner meaning a person or group of person involved in this complete planning of maintenance and other activities related to procurement. So these are a few details about a partner. Here you can create partner as per your wish. And in this particular profile requirement, that's it. Now we can save our equipment. So here we have one automatic number for equipment. This is the number. That's it. So that was a quick introduction about how we can create a equipment master.